My dear friends, Josie here. Thank you so much for watching. Now, if you have never encountered a rude, mean person in your life, you haven't really lived. Let's be honest, we all come across people who just plain mean. They say things that with intention to hurt you. So what can you do? You cannot just disappear from this planet. You have to deal with them. There are so many ways to deal with them. So if you are against somebody who is mean and rude, here's what you can do. The rule number one, do not take anything personally, whatever coming from them. So what you can do, just try this for yourself. They can be really angry and just raging at you. Well, you just keep yourself together and just quietly, silently observing them. So when you're looking at them, do not look them in the eyes. Just look them somewhere in the forehead or somewhere around their nose. But don't stare them exactly into their eyes, because eyes are powerful energy centers. So when you do this, watch them like you're watching the movie. You know, watch their reaction. This is quite fun. When you look at somebody with such a depth of compassion, like, you know, this person is in pain. And you can even see this because you stop taking this personally. You stop absorbing this energy. You're just basically, in reality, looking at things the way they are. So watch them, let them finish, let them go through whatever they want to say, and just keeping yourself together. You don't even have to say anything at the end, just smile and you can walk away. And of course, if you have to respond to this person in any way, you can say, I will come back to discuss this with you when you are in more positive state of mind, and you walk away. You don't have to justify anything. It's your decision. You keep yourself together. You cannot be responsible for anybody else's behavior. You can only be responsible for your own reaction. This really becomes like an eye-opener, because you can see people's pain just growing through them. You cannot watch it without compassion, and walk away, wish them blessing, wish them to be well, because if you're not reacting, you have nothing to regret about, because again, everything that you take personally, you cannot let go. You cannot forget. You stop thinking about this. It goes through your head on and on and on. If you do not react, it will go away. The energy will disappear. It will just like it has never happened. Remember, you can only take responsibility on your part, but not for everybody else's behavior. So if there's somebody who is really rude to you on the internet, well, stop communicating with them. It's even easy. You know, delete them, unfriend them, do whatever you can. Just get them out of your system, get them out of your sight. So create peaceful environment for friends, for yourself, and keep it that way. You don't have to respond to rude people. It's just, there's no point. You're not going to help anybody. So here you go. Here's how you can handle people who are mean to you. So thank you so much for watching. Hope I helped you with this video. You know, I never can say this right. It's like, hope I helped you. There's hope I helped you. No, actually, I've mastered that one. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Thank you for writing to me. Put the comments below down there if you have any questions. So I'll speak to you in the next video.